What's going on, everyone? Hope everyone is having a awesome and a wonderful day. Today on this video, I wanted to show you two different faceless channel that we have actually built from ground zero, and it's earning income, and we have actually got the whole channel pretty much automated, and channel is actually making money. It is monetized, and all the views that you're gonna be seeing in the channel, it's all done through organically, right? And if you're actually coming through this video for the first time, my name is Sanjeev, and I talk about how to start making passive income from faceless channels. And this is what we have actually been doing, and we actually building multiple teams and also multiple channels, so that way we can automate as much as possible. However, like beginning of this year, we also started building channels, and we also started passing the channels to our clients, and pretty much we share with the clients the whole strategy, so that way they don't have to go through the hard work of like guessing like what's going to be working on YouTube. We've already done the guesswork, and we also put in the formula, like what formula you're going to be putting in the channel to be able to continue to grow the channel like month after month after month. Okay. What actually holds most people back, especially with faceless content, is they don't know where to start. There's pretty much information overload. There's like a lot of big gurus out there, creating content after content, just selling their course, selling their program, and pretty much which has no real value, right? And if you actually buy any program, any course, you pretty much know like what I'm actually talking about. And even though the program you might have paid like probably $10,000, $5,000 for the course, you still have to go out there and hire your own team. You still have to pick up your own niche, and you still have to pump up videos consistently, and you don't even know like if the channel will actually get traction or not, right? I've actually seen client, and pretty much they came to me from other different courses, and once I started sharing like my strategy, what I was actually doing to grow the channels, that's when they actually got the most amount of value, because they were started to work with me one-on-one rather than just buying any outdated course or program, right? So let me share with you two channels, and these channels are pretty much automated. It's already earning, it is already monetized. So, and it's also getting a lot of views as well, right? It's not just like you're getting like one or two or 10 views. It's consistently getting great amount of views, and the RPM on these channels is pretty high, so you don't even need to get that much views to make like $5,000-$10,000 a month. Okay, so let me share with you the screen, so I can jump straight into showing you the channel and everything like that. And if you have any question, you can just put in the comment section below. You probably might be watching this on YouTube, you probably might be watching this on Facebook, and that way I can answer a question, right? So let me share with you the channel. So the first channel that I have here, you can just see the lifetime I did this channel. In the beginning we were not that consistent, but once we started uploading video, so this channel has already got the proven track record, and it's already made like close to like $9,000 US, right? These numbers is US. I'm actually living here in Australia, so this number is somewhere between like $12 to $15,000 we've actually made on this channel alone. And this channel, you have more option to be able to monetize outside AdSense revenue, right? And you'll be able to do that easily. And this channel has got its own team. This channel, the team already know like what they're gonna be doing. So you just pick on the channel, and then you can just start uploading videos, and then continue to grow the channel, and also this income will also grow with that as well, right? So this is one channel. Another channel is a little bit bigger channel, not so much big than the other one. The other channel has got a lot of track record, but this channel we pretty much we're not that consistent in the beginning, but once we started uploading video, it has made 2,000, close to about $2,500 US. It's got, I think, close to by 16,000 subscribers on the channel, and that way it's got close to like a million views overall on this channel. So you can just start uploading videos on this channel and start to monetize the channel, right? So pretty awesome. And what also normally happens is, like, when someone actually starts their faceless channel, they start uploading video, they get only like 5 to 10 views, and it's probably going to be doing a lot of testing on your channel, especially when you're getting started. And in the beginning you don't get that much views, because at times YouTube actually, what they do is test your channel, and they also shadow ban like the newer channels, right? The reason, like, from 2025 onwards, we always start on an already monetized channel, and also we go ahead and we have a team in place who actually monetize our channel on an ongoing basis. So that way, when we find any niche, we just jump straight into it and start creating video, and that way we can get a lot of views fast. And also, the channel is ice channel, so we don't start on a brand new channel, we start on an ice channel, and that channel is already getting momentum, it's already trusted by YouTube. So once we start uploading video, chances of us going viral is super high, compared to a channel or a person who is just literally getting started on YouTube, who doesn't have any trust factor with YouTube. And pretty much when they start uploading video, they don't get that much views, and pretty much they upload like 20-30 videos, they don't get any traction. That's when people actually quit, right? So the best way to get started with faceless content in 2025 and beyond is start with the channel that's already making money, so that way you don't have to do the guesswork. And also start on an already monetized channel, so that way you can start earning from day one, right? So if you want to know more about like how I'm actually building my channels in 2025 and beyond, like, keeping in mind, like, I've been doing YouTube since 2017, so it's been a while. I think someone's actually watching. Christopher, I just kind of stumbled upon your YouTube and I just saw you were live. I had to check it out. Okay, great to have you here, bro. Yeah, so great to have you come through my YouTube channel. So it's awesome. Also, let me know, Christopher, where you actually watching this from, and have you also started your YouTube faceless channel? And I would love to know how that is going. I don't know if you are also in my WhatsApp private group, so I can join. The link is gonna be in the bio section. You can click there. And in my group, I also share a lot of knowledge, like the channels that I actually built, so that way you can go check it out there. And also leave in the comment like where you actually watching this from. I would love to know. So yeah, this is what I've actually been doing like since 2015 2016, doing YouTube. And before that, I used to do selling on eBay and Amazon drop shipping. That is what I used to do. I wasn't doing any drop shipping on Shopify, because I think it's just stupid. You're paying for ads every single time. The good part about what eBay was, it was good because I didn't have to advertise anything. eBay has already got like a ton of viewers on the platform. They have already got like a lot of buyers. So once I used to just drop ship on eBay and Amazon, I used to have tons of impression and tons of buyers, and that's how I started making money, right? But like after, I think a lot of dropshippers started coming in the marketplace, that's when was the like a big saturation, and that's when I started moving. So I've been doing YouTube automation since 2016. The first 9 or 12 months I actually literally failed, and then after that I started investing into different mentors, different coaches. That's when I started getting like the most amount of breakthrough, right? So it was just awesome. And I also have made many other clients very successful. One client that I actually interviewed on my YouTube channel, in the first 30 days, she actually made $1,500 US, which was awesome. And before that, she spent close to about $20,000 in another program, and she got like zero results. So once she started working, and I've actually just got multiple clients who actually started making money, passive income with YouTube automation. So if you want to know more, you can just reach out to me, so I can share with you like how I actually also help my clients as well. So yeah, Florida right now, almost 2 a.m. Oh wow, it's crazy timing, bro. Yeah, so I'm here in Sydney, Australia. So it's like literally 3:47 p.m. here. Just learned about YouTube automation. Oh, great. So I tried the same thing, did eBay for a while, and it just didn't work. All right. Yeah, I used to love eBay. I just used to love eBay because with eBay dropshipping, I just used to just upload like bulk listing of products, and I had like virtual assistant in the Philippines who were actually just doing all the research and listing the products. They were also doing customer service. They're fulfilling the orders. It was awesome, man. Like I was loving eBay dropshipping, and like daily income, I was probably making like $100 to $200 days. Like after we used to do the fulfillment, so it was awesome. But like after I started getting like a lot of saturation, that's when I started moving towards like YouTube automation, and that's what I've actually been doing. Been loving it, and would love to know. So Christopher, have you started YouTube automation, or you just said you just literally got into it? Okay. So I don't know if you watched the whole entire thing. So the best way to get started with YouTube automation is literally you have to start on a channel that's already making money, or just start on an already monetized channel. So you can just send me DM so I can, because two channels I shared in the beginning of this presentation, you can just see those two channels, it's already making money. So literally you can just start with that channel, and that way you don't have to do the guesswork. Like the channel is already making money, so you can just literally start on the channel. We're gonna be passing you the team, so I'm also gonna be sharing with you the whole strategy, like how to grow the channel, and pretty much, yeah. However, if you don't like the niche or anything like that, you can we also have like few other niches that is working really good, so I'll give you that niche so you can literally get started with that niche, and that way you can just keep the momentum going. Because with YouTube automation, what the thing you have to realize is there's other people also doing the business model, right? And pretty much what you have to do is be consistent. So if you upload like one video a week, you don't want to be missing for like 3 months, right? You want to be uploading like one video every day, like every week, just to get the ball rolling. And once you know everything, like how everything works, that's when you can just start uploading every day. That's when you're gonna get a lot of views. With a lot of views, you're gonna be making a lot of money. Okay, so awesome business model. And I highly recommend you to jump in my WhatsApp group. That way you can just see like how we actually building our channels, and pretty much you can watch this video from the beginning. So that way I shared with you two channels, and yeah, you can literally get started. And yeah, looking for videos to learn and found out about you. Okay, great to connect. And just send me a DM so I can send you some of my free training, and that way you can just learn the right way. Because there's like, if you keep watching like different people on YouTube especially, you get like what we call like analysis paralysis. Like you get like overload of information, and that way you don't take any action, right? The best way to learn is just learn from like one person or two people, so that way you can just know the right strategy, and that way you can just know, hey, this is working, and I'm just gonna be doubling down on this. Okay, so yeah, great to know. Send me DM so I can connect with you and send you free information, and great to have you here. And yeah, bro, and if you want to know anything else, you can just send me DM. We can chat in there. But aside from, if anyone else is hopping on this video, you can just watch this video. If you don't understand anything, you just put in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to reply. God bless, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye. Ta-da.